The yellow-collared macaw is a striking gem of the South American wilderness, native to the woodlands and grasslands of Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Its most defining feature is the brilliant yellow band encircling its neck, which glows against its deep emerald plumage. Measuring approximately 15 inches, this medium-sized macaw is a master of maneuverability, navigating dense forest canopies with ease. Unlike many parrots, they are remarkably adaptable, often found in both humid forests and arid scrublands. In the wild, they are highly social and intelligent, using their powerful hooked beaks to crack open tough seeds and nuts. Their distinct, high-pitched calls echo through the trees, signaling the presence of a tight-knit pair. Protecting their diverse habitats is essential to ensuring these charismatic mini macaws continue to thrive in the wild.